Hey guys, my name is Clodagh and I am here with my friend Patrick. He's behind the camera there. And we are just going to tell you our top 10 tips for making the most of your open day here at UL. So our first top tip is to pick up one of the open day guides. So in your guide is a map of the campus. For the open days, the campus is going to be divided into zones, so everything is a bit easier for you to find. There's loads of talks on during the day, and each talk might be on in a different zone. But don't worry, all of the talks and all of the zones are broken down in your guide as well. So our second tip is to just go to some of the talks that are on during the open days. As I said, the campus is going to be divided into zones and each course has its own talk and will be in one of these various zones. If you get a bit lost, make sure to ask a guide to help you where you're going. There's also more general talks on, so if you're in TY and you're not sure what subjects to take for the Leaving Cert, or if you're in sixth year and have no idea what you want to do, go to a general talk and that's going to tell you about life on campus and all of the options that are available to you.
Okay, so tip number 3 is come into the library and do a tour of the library. There's going to be plenty of tours on during the day. This is one of the most technologically advanced libraries in Europe, and last year they made a €31 million investment to improve it, and they did a great job. It's really, really cool.
Okay, are we good?
Yeah.
Tip number 4 is call up to the courtyard. There's going to be loads on throughout the course of the open days, but most importantly, Spin Southwest are going to be here playing some tunes, and it's going to be really, really good fun. Hang around in the courtyard to see demonstrations from loads of different clubs and societies. There's over 80 different clubs and societies in UL, and you'll be sure to find one that suits you. Another bit of advice we have for you is to call up to the sports arena. We're not called Ireland Sporting Campus for nothing. We have some of the best facilities in Ireland for sports and recreation, so definitely make sure to call up here during your open day.
Okay, so the next thing we advise you to do is do a campus tour. During this you'll figure out why we won Best Student Campus in 2019, and as part of that tour then you'll get to see some of our accommodation. If you're interested in this accommodation, make sure to inquire and book it quickly because it often books up really fast.
So tip number 9 is to check out the Marquee in the plaza. We are just in the main building now, but you can see the Marquee behind me just out there. And in the Marquee there's going to be loads of stalls. Now there's going to be stalls from all of the different departments and faculties if you want to have a chat about your course. There's going to be different stalls from different student supports like the first 7 weeks and the access office. Susie are going to have a stand there as well. And to top it all off, there's going to be a bunch of freebies which you can take home with you.
And our last tip, tip number 10, is follow us on social media. We're doing the biggest giveaway of merchandise we've ever done, so keep an eye out and see what competitions we've got going on.
Down. So what's in the guide? You can
Rolling on the river. Is it recording?
which leads you to
It's often